You know you a queen. You know you a queen.
Hey guys, so I'm finally back with another video, and as you can see, this is going to be about removing dye from lace. To remove color, I use this Color Fix kit. It comes with 3 bottles of product. I didn't necessarily like the third product, and you'll see why later on in the video, but yeah, I didn't really rock with that too much. If you break down the box, the instructions are on the inside. So we starting off with step 1, and we're gonna mix in step 2 equal parts and give that a stir. I got my timer ready for 20 minutes to click after I apply all the product to the lace, and that's what you'll see me doing in this clip. So once I'm done, I set my timer, wait 20 minutes for that color to lift up. I did hit it with the blow dryer a little bit just to speed up the processing of the color remover, and I'm gonna wash it out with you can use Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner. I use like the off-brand version of that, but you want to use something of that nature. Alright, and this is what it looked like afterwards. And so this is the part where I should have stopped at, but I went ahead and added step 3, and it basically turned the lace back to the black color, but you could see right there that it looked pretty nice where it was at. So I had to go back through and redo steps 1 and 2 like the instructions say if it doesn't look right after step 3. But after I did the second time, I didn't go back with the 3, and this is the step 3 that I'm doing right now, and you'll see in the next clip how dark it looks after it's done processing. This step 3 sits on for 5 minutes, but I wouldn't recommend you all do step 3. I would just do equal parts of 1 and 2, rinse it out, wash it out really good, and then call it a day. You will have to wash it a couple times because it has like a really disgusting smell. It honestly smells like perm, and that is one of the worst smells to me. But this is what it looks like after I think I did it the second time. I'm not sure. So this is what it looks like when it is all done. Looks pretty good. And it didn't lift all of the color out of it. It did turn it to like a brown tint, so that was okay. And here is the blow dried lace closure. And here's an up close of the lace after I did steps 1 and 2 again and blow dried the closure. Looks pretty good to me.